While holding on to the top of the cup, we're gonna begin peeling off the slime. See how easily it's removed? What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. So I've been on YouTube for almost 10 years. Exactly 2 months from now, it's gonna be 10 years since I've been posting on YouTube. And I've posted all kinds of videos since my first video. I've posted some pranks, hacks, and anything in between. But one thing that I have not posted, and you guys have requested that I post, slime videos. I have never done a slime video. You guys have been asking for slime videos. And well, since I'm known for pranks, why not combine slime and pranks and make a video, right? So that's what I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna show you guys how to pull out 5 pranks on friends and family using slime. So if you guys are into slime, then you're definitely gonna love this video. And if you do, I hope you give it a big thumbs up. 1,000 likes are appreciated. And yeah, I know I'm not wearing my sunglasses. They didn't break, I just decided not to use them for this video. In fact, they're right here. But anyway, that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to pull off some pranks using slime. So before we begin, let's make sure that you guys are subscribed to this channel with the bell notifications turned on. And like I said, give it a thumbs up and check it out. There's a lot of shoe freaks out there, a lot of shoe fanatics, a lot of people that just love shoes. I'm one of them. I love shoes. I love sneakers in particular. So guys, here's a great prank that you guys can pull on somebody that just adores their shoes. For example, right here I have a shoe. Never used it, but I'm gonna use it for this example. Yeah, we're gonna cover it in slime. Here's the shoe that I'm gonna use for this prank, guys. I've used it many times and I have yet to wear this shoe. I don't know why. But anyway, we're gonna mess with it for this demonstration. So let's pretend that this is your victim's favorite shoe. It's their most valued possession, so they don't want anything happening to it. It's really funny if you pull this off on somebody that always watches out for stains on their shoes. And when they see a little dirt on it, they wipe it off real fast. I like those people because those are people you can easily freak out when it comes to shoes. So the inside of the shoe, guys, well, it still has this thing. I'm gonna leave it there. Anyway, the inside of the shoe, guys, we are gonna protect with some clear tape. So let's take some tape. And basically the top edge of the shoe, we are gonna cover it. Because we don't want it getting dirty or stained. It's best if this is plastic, but since it's not plastic, I can't take any risks, so I gotta cover it with tape. If it looks ugly at first, it doesn't matter because the slime will cover the tape, so they won't even tell that there's any tape there. Okay, so now the top edge of the shoe is covered in tape. What about the inside? Well, we don't really have to worry about the inside so much. You guys can put a piece of tape also in there, but it's not that necessary. So here I have a lot of slime, but it's not enough to actually cover the whole shoe, especially the inside. Plus, I don't want the inside getting dirty. So what I'm gonna do here is play it smart and actually get a styrofoam cup and cut it in half. It should look a little something like this. We're gonna place it inside the shoe upside down. Just like that, guys. And then we're gonna take our slime and carefully place it on top of the shoe. So be very cautious, guys. You don't want to stain their shoe. You don't want to damage, dirty their shoe or cause something permanent. Basically place it on top and try to cover any area that has tape because you know that's a safe area. Hopefully the texture of your slime is thick so it doesn't drip or slide down the shoe. And that's it, guys. It looks like their shoe is covered in slime, right? You can't really see the tape. So just leave it where they normally keep their shoes. And when they see this, they're gonna freak out like big time because they'll feel like their shoe is dirty, like their shoe has already been ruined and that there's no fix to it. But in reality, it's just slime and they can easily undo it. They just gotta peel it off. And look, no harm. So that's pretty much it. Notice the cup underneath, but it made it seem like the shoe was filled with slime. Try it out on a little brother, little sister, or maybe one of your parents. They'll freak out big time. You guys can all pretty much tell what this is, right? This is an Xbox One controller, and I like to play Xbox. Xbox is actually my favorite game console, and surely you guys know somebody that loves Xbox or PlayStation 4 or whatever it is. As long as there's a controller available, guys, here's a great way to use some slime to prank them. Pretty much anything covered in slime looks like it could possibly be damaged, so why not give them a little scare? Alright guys, just like we did with the shoe prank, we're gonna be doing the same thing with this controller because we don't want to damage anybody's property. We don't want this to stop working just because we try to pull off a joke on somebody. For this prank, I'll be using different colored slime. Alright, so how do we protect this controller right here? Well, it's simple, guys. Get yourself some plastic wrap. So go into your kitchen, your mom already probably has this. So just look between the cabinets, closets, whatever, and you'll find some of this. And we're just gonna cover one side of the controller. So just wrap it around, guys. And at some point you're gonna need some tape to keep everything in place. And I would add the tape on the back where it's less noticeable. Simple stuff so far, right? And now let's apply our slime on it. So we're gonna try to stretch it. So if you don't have a lot of slime or your supply of slime is limited, try to stretch it. That way you have more ground to cover with this. All right, all I'm gonna do is place it over the controller, pretty much where the plastic ends. And then I'm gonna wrap it around the back. And that's it. The prank is set, guys. So if it's on a coffee table, leave it there. And basically when they come over and look at their controller, they'll be super upset. They'll be like, oh no, who covered my controller in slime? But once they take a closer look, they'll see that it's plastic that's underneath. So nothing's damaged, nothing to worry about. And they can easily remove the plastic and they can undo this prank. But the purpose of this, just like the shoes, was to give them a little scare, thinking that their controller, their property, is covered in slime. Here's a great prank that you guys can pull off at school. Well, basically you gotta set it up at home. But if you can do it in school, then go for it if you do have the time. But anyway, we're gonna booby trap their pencil case. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so this is one of your siblings' pencil cases. You went into their backpack, you took it out. Now you can do this in the bathroom, so just go in there, lock the door, and open it. And as you guys can see right here, there's a bunch of pencils. There's like, yeah, a lot of pencils, a pen, and a marker. All right, let's set these aside. Now let's pull out the whole box. Looks like a little coffin, right? So the inside, we are gonna take our slime and just spread it all in there. So place it inside and then spread it. This prank works best if your victim doesn't have a lot of pencils in their pencil case. Whoa, this is kind of fun. I've never really played with slime up until now. So I've been wanting to make a slime video. All right, so as you guys can see, the whole inside is covered with slime. Now we can take the pencils and the pens and the markers and just put them in there, like so. And that's it, guys. Actually, the green pencils kind of blend in with the slime. Anyway, let's put it back in. So try to get a pencil case that doesn't have many openings. That way the slime stays in good condition. But pretty much that's it, guys. Put this back where it goes. And now when your victim is in the class, right? They arrived at school. They go into their backpack, try to take out their pencil case because they're about to write an essay or whatever. And then, oh, what? Everything's covered in slime. Look at that. Don't worry though, because slime doesn't stick on very well to pencils or plastic, so this marker's safe. It is gonna make them a little upset. They're gonna think that all their supplies are ruined, but in reality, they're not. Could you imagine dealing with this in class? Their slime will probably be taken away. But yeah, guys, nothing damaged. And now they get to keep their slime. So I hope you enjoyed this prank, because you're basically giving them free slime. For these last two pranks, I'm gonna show you guys how to use slime to booby trap a cup. Yeah, that's right guys. We're about to make a couple of messes using cups. Here's what we're gonna do for this first cup prank. We're gonna take a sharp object. Here I have just a screwdriver and I'm gonna poke a hole on a styrofoam cup. So maybe on the middle's fine. You guys can make that hole bigger if you want or smaller. That's all on you. Okay, that works. Then we're gonna go reach over and grab some of our slime. I'm gonna use this red pink slime that I have right here. We don't need a lot. We're gonna take it and we're gonna cover the hole we made. So remember, you guys can make it as big as you want or smaller. The bigger the hole is, of course, the bigger the mess will be eventually. Try to cover the hole and the surrounding area. And now it's gonna look strange, and I know that a lot of people are gonna be like, well, what's the purpose of this? Well, we're gonna fill this cup with water or any liquid that you guys want, and you're just gonna leave it somewhere. Let's take some water and start filling it up. Nothing will happen at first, guys, so leave it wherever you guys want. And maybe tell your victim, hey, I left you a cup of water on the table. Now, when they come and get it, of course it's gonna look strange because it's got slime. But if they're big fans of slime, they're gonna be like, oh wow, slime. Then they're gonna try to get it, they're gonna try to peel it off. And when they do that, that's what's gonna happen. A spill will occur right away. So go ahead, guys, try it out on a sibling, a parent, anybody that you'll know will fall for this prank. Now I know that prank wasn't that messy, but this next one will be messy, so be careful. Here I have another styrofoam cup, same size as the last prank. What we're gonna do different about this prank is that we're gonna remove the bottom. So with a sharp object or scissors, if you have them available, cut off the bottom. Remember, if you're handling sharp objects, be extra careful. All right. So now we remove the bottom and we don't need this, so throw it away. And we're left with this, a bottomless cup. Now we're gonna set this aside because now it's time to get our slime. So we're gonna place it on the table. So pick a spot where you're gonna execute this prank. So if it's on a table, then do it there. So pretty much make a little pancake. Then we're gonna take the cup and on the center, we're gonna press on it. Just like that. So basically it's like a cookie cutter at this point. This is what the inside looks like. And this is the outside. While holding on to the top of the cup, we're gonna begin peeling off the slime. See how easily it's removed? See, not so hard. So now we can get rid of the slime. Well, not get rid of it, but put it away. And at this point, pretty much the prank is set. All we gotta do is fill it up with your victim's favorite drink. So if it's Kool-Aid, which is what I'm gonna use, then pour it in. Just like this. No messes whatsoever, guys. Look at that, no mess. That's pretty much it. Alright, it's prank time. This is what will happen when your victim comes over and grabs their cup of Kool-Aid. Oh man. You know what's funny though? That the demo, when I first did this prank, the water actually spilled instantly. Now this is actually better because it made like a little water balloon and then it popped. The other one though, I guess because the slime is thicker this time around, that's why it was thicker. The other slime that I used when I first came up with this prank was actually not so thick and I didn't use a lot of slime, so that's why it spilled instantly when I pulled off the prank. But this time, It made a little balloon. The weight of the liquid pushed it down and then it popped. Oh man. That's not even, oh, I'm not looking forward to cleaning up this mess. Oh. But anyway, give it a thumbs up, guys, if you enjoyed the mess I just made for you guys. And those were 5 pranks you guys can pull off on friends and family using slime. As you guys just witnessed, it wasn't that hard to make, it wasn't that hard to pull off, and it's definitely a great way to kill off some time if you're bored, and hey, you're gonna get some good laughs out of these. So if you enjoyed this video, I hope you already gave it a thumbs up. If you're new here, I'm Nextraker, I make prank videos, I make hack videos, and I make all kinds of other stuff. So if you haven't, subscribe now and turn on all the bell notifications. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. Alright pranksters, if you guys want to watch more pranks like the ones I just showed you, click up here. And if you guys are interested in learning new life hacks, click up here. You can't go wrong with either one of them.